And if you're one of those people looking to start the new year off with a new look, we may be able to help. From weight loss to getting back that full head of hair, we're talking with a local expert about a few of your options. Well, some people may be looking to start the new year with a new you. And from joining a gym to dyeing your hair, there's a lot of ways you can go. With us this morning is Dr. Scott Boden from the Hair Restoration and Aesthetic Medicine Center in Wallingford. Good morning, Dr. Boden.
Good morning,
Thank you
Shirley.
so much for joining us.
I'm very happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
So the new year, we always think of a new person and just a time to really start over. A lot of people want to make little changes to themselves to make themselves feel better. And one thing you want to talk about is liposuction, but liposuction without the surgery.
Let's talk about LipoLaser. It's not a surgical procedure. It involves, actually, you can actually see this, it involves applying laser paddles directly to the skin. It's a painless process, and it's effective. Enables the fat cells underneath the skin to actually begin to leak their contents, and then body metabolizes them.
Now, is it something that you have to do over a series of time, or is it a one-stop shopping deal?
It's a series of treatments over twice a week for 4 weeks, and patients come into my office in Wethersfield. We apply the paddles. It's a painless procedure, and it is effective. I think for a lot of people, as you brought up the new year, new you,
yep.
as part of looking your best and feeling your best, people need to commit to exercising and eating right. This is complementary to those
right,
things.
So this is not the be-all, end-all. It's just a little touch-up, let's say, but also for people who we should remind them to maintain those good eating habits and workout habits.
Absolutely. It's for body contouring and reducing the appearance of fat, reducing the amount of fat in the body.
Okay, another thing a lot of people worry about, frown lines and wrinkles, and there's a solution for people to start the new year.
Oh, absolutely.
With sort of a clean slate.
Absolutely. There are modalities or treatments to look your best and feel your best. Botox is very effective, as is another product called Dysport. There are fillers to fill in deep creases and wrinkles, good care of the skin, and good sleep.
I was just going to say, you know, for people who are sort of a little bit afraid of that, just
absolutely.
A good night's sleep and lots of water every day probably helps.
Correct, absolutely.
For more information on any of these services, just head to the websites on your screen right there. They're aestheticmedicineconnecticut.com and hairtransplantconnecticut.com.